Welcome to our tutorial on Vite. In this video, we'll explore Vite, a next-generation build tool that aims to provide a faster and more efficient development experience for modern web applications. Vite is a modern build tool for web development that is designed to make the process of building, developing, and deploying web applications faster and more efficient. Developed by Evan You, the creator of Vue.js, Vite aims to leverage the latest advancements in web technologies to provide a lightning-fast development experience. The name Vite is derived from the French word for fast, reflecting its primary goal of optimizing the developer experience. Key features of Vite include instant server start. Vite leverages native ES module, ESM, support in modern browsers to start a development server almost instantly. This eliminates the need for bundling during development, resulting in significantly reduced startup times. Lightning-fast hot module replacement. Vite provides built-in support for HMR, allowing developers to see changes to their code reflected in the browser almost instantly without full-page reloads. This speeds up the development process and improves productivity. Native ES module support. Vite natively supports ES modules, which allows for faster module loading and better tree shaking, resulting in smaller bundle sizes and improved application performance. Optimized build process. Vite optimizes the build process by pre-building dependencies on demand, resulting in faster development and production builds. This is achieved through the use of Rollup, a module bundler known for its efficiency and performance. Plugin-based architecture. Vite's architecture is plugin-based, allowing developers to extend and customize its functionality to suit their specific needs. This makes it highly flexible and adaptable to a wide range of use cases. Now let us see the step-by-step process of building the Vite app in React. First, you have to install Node.js and Visual Studio Code or any source code editor on your computer. If you don't have these apps installed, please pause the video and see the links in the description where installation procedure is discussed in minutes. Go to Terminal and select New Terminal. Type CD and the path where you want to store your app files. Then click Enter. Then type npm create Vite at latest. Click Enter. Select the project name. For example, To-Do app. Click Enter. Select React. Click Enter. Then select JavaScript. Click Enter. Now run these three codes in the terminal one by one. Your app will be ready in minutes. Congratulations! You've successfully created a lightning-fast React application using Vite. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of setting up a Vite project. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials and updates on modern web development tools and technologies.